Good morning! Welcome to our latest Health and Opportunity presentation and experience. I'm your Global Marketing Director, Rochelle Cayabyab, here in Legazpi City, Bicol. So, I'm very happy to see you in this presentation. I'm sure kung sino man nag-invite sa'yo, shinare to ng slide, may maganda siyang intention or purpose at gusto niyang mabless ka din katulad niya. So, I met Lifestyles way back December 28 of 2008. So, katulad mo, na-curious ako. So, pinanood ko yung presentation. That time, face-to-face pa. It was introduced to me by my office mate sa Commission on Audit. So, true enough, sumali ako. First, for health reason. And second, for financial reason. So, lahat yon nasagot ng Lifestyles. Answered prayer talaga siya. Kaya, mag-15 years ko na itong ginagawa. So, let me introduce to you to the very amazing company, Lifestyles, which is headed by Sean Deborah. The main office is in Toronto, Canada. Yan, diba? So, proud ako na maging lifestyler because this company have been in the business for 35 years. At ang maganda niya, napaka-proven po ng product. My father-in-law who took this for 15 years is now a colon cancer survivor. And of course, ang compensation plan. I was able to leave my government permanent employment because napaka-amazing ng kitaan dito. And dito yung totoo yung training system nila, sasamahan ka, tuturuan ka, and tutulungan ka. That's why kami mag-asawa po, full-time namin tong ginagawa na lifestyles kasi naturuan talaga kami and natutunan namin yung business. This has a very noble mission, providing health and wellness solution to help people live better every day. Siyempre, lahat tayo, pag malusog tayo, that's our precious treasure. Now, bakit ba nauuso ngayon ng food supplement? Kasi nga, ang daming may sakit because of this body pollution. From the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the food that we eat, napakadami ng preservatives, yung prutas at gulay natin, bombarded ng pesticide, yung mga manok, isda, naka-feeds na, and i-add mo pa yung electromagnetic waves and the medications na talaga nakakasira ng kidney. Bakit ngayon, di ba, kaliwat kanan ng may cancer? Because sobra po talaga ang pollution na sa katawan natin ngayon. So, how can we fight back? Ito yung pinaka sinasagot ng lifestyles. Kailangan natin maging malusog. And, syempre, isa sa mga way para maging malusog is to eat proper nutrition. Ideally, sabi ng mga nutritionists, 5 to 10 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Kaya lang ang tanong, nakakain ba natin yan, di ba? Even makain mo, ang dami namang spray ng pesticide and kinakalburo yung mga prutas. And hindi lang yun, ang dami na ngayong mga instant lang na, di ba? Parang wala nang nutrisyon. Kaya ngayon, sobra talaga ang may mga sakit. That's why, nagkaroon ng solution si Lifestyles to come up with a very good food supplement. Kasi sa market natin ngayon, dalawang klase ang food supplement. Isang synthetic at isang natural. So, anong pipiliin mo? Synthetic or natural? Siyempre natural kasi natural yung katawan natin. So, ang maganda sa Lifestyles product, it has been proven and tested by FDA, GMP, HACCP, halal, and even kosher. Yung mga certifying bodies na ang magpapatunay sa iyo na safe talaga siyang inumin. Kaya nga, that time when I met this product, 1 month old yung youngest son ko, yan talaga ang pinavitamins ko sa kanya up to now. This Intra is a very pleasant tasting product. Para ka lang prune juice, sobrang sarap niya. At ang maganda, kaya siya ng mga bata i-take. Ano ba laman niya? 23 herb. Yang 23 herbs na yan, sasabihin ko sa'yo. Madedetox ka, gaganda yung health mo, gaganda yung heart mo, pati yung mga bones mo na mga lagi nang masakit, mawawala yan. And of course, yung asthmatic mong anak, kung meron man, is mabuboost ang kanyang immune system. So, I took the products na wala yung migraine ko, constipation, and ang pinakamaganda sa lahat, na-regulate din yung aking menstruation, di ba? My mom who is taking a lot of medicines, ngayon po wala na, ito lang ang ginagamit niya. So, pag nag-take ka ng vitamin C, vitamin E, okay naman sila, kaya lang, hindi siya kasing effective ng Intra because of its napakadaming ingredients. It can address the 8 body system. So, from head to toe, kumbaga. Susulit yung pera mo. Ito yung isa pang maganda niyang products na antioxidant Nutria Plus. So, kung gusto mong bumata ang cells mo, maiwasan mo ang cancer, take 2 capsules every after meal kasi para ka na rin kumain ng mga broccoli, vitamin C, and then prunes. Ang maganda dyan is, kung may lahi kayong may cancer or may namumuo ng bukol dyan, malalabanan niya agad. Diba? So, the next product is CardioLife, which is good for the heart, the bones, and the brain. So, tinutunaw niya yung mga bara-bara sa bloodstream natin. So, maganda yung flow ng dugo mo. So, in effect, alam mo ba na yung mental health mo is matutulungan plus yung heart mo matutulungan. At ang pinakamaganda dyan na bawala yung mga bara-bara na nagkukos ng aneurysm, di ba? Mga nabuo palang calcium yan na dapat talaga wala sa mga ugat natin kundi nasa bones natin. So, yan ang tulong ng CardioLife. And last is the FiberLife, which is good for the gustong malabanan yung diabetes and high blood because iniinom siya bago kumain. So, para siyang sapin sa tiyan mo na maiiwasan mo yung cholesterol build-up. The bonus is, kung yung bill mo or BMW mo is sobra na, pwede yan mawala ng FiberLife, diba? Because pang appetite control din siya. So, how much do you care for your body? Diba? Sabi nila, ma'am, ang mahal naman mag-take niyan. Pero alam mo ba, mas mahal ang ma-hospital. So, eto, iinumin mo lang to before breakfast, mag-intra ka, after mo kumain, mag-nutria and cardio ka, FiberLife bago ka kumain. But, i-guarantee ko sa'yo na it will help you to be healthy and then yung mga maintenance medicine mo, one day tatanggalin na yan ng doktor because ang ganda na ng iyong blood chem. That is our experience in our family. So, syempre, iisipin mo, magkano ba yan? Mahal ba yan? Diba? Gusto ko sanang uminom, kaya lang, paano ko siya masusustain? So, ang sagot diyan, gawin mo siyang business. Diba? So, I did a business. Yes, this is network marketing. Alam niyo ba, this is my first business in the endeavor and network marketing. Nakapaka-ignorante ko nito, but here in Lifestyle, natutunan ko na para ka lang dito nag-franchise. Kung yung 7-Eleven or Jollibee binabayaran ng milyon because of their system, dito hindi milyon ang babayaran mo. Pero, makukuha mo na yung system ng Lifestyles. Ang maganda, mababa lang ang kapital, pero ang laki po ng ROI niya or return of investment. Dahil 40 bansa ka pwede mag-business if you join Lifestyles. And hindi mo kailangan pumunta doon. Because of the power of the internet, it's all possible. Diba? So, paano kumikita dito sa Lifestyles? Ito yung pinaka nagpalinaw ng isip ko na na-validate kung hindi siya scam. Kasi karamihan ng mga products natin is came or being distributed to traditional marketing. Meaning, from the manufacturer, bibili ng wholesaler, bibili naman ng retailer bago makarating sa atin. Kaya ang nangyayari, ang dami ng patong-patong. In network marketing, kaya pala hindi mo siya mapapanood sa mga commercial sa TV because yung babayaran sa ads, ipapatong ng wholesaler and retailer, yun na yung pwedeng ipasa sa mga distributor. Kaya nakikita mo, ang daming tao na nagbago yung buhay because of its amazing business model, diba? So, dito pwede kang kumita ng around 20 to 40,000 a month hanggang maakyat mo yung ladder of success to 1 million a month. Sabi mo, wow, ano na kaya itsura ko niyan? Ay, nako, sobra. Nung kinita namin yan, nakatulong kami sa mga pamilya namin, mga pamangkin na pag-aral, nakapagtayo kami ng mga real estate investment, and ang pinakamaganda, wala kaming pwesto, wala kaming tauhan. Diba? Ang ganda ng business natin. So, paano ba dito kumikita? So, ito yung RSRP ng Lifestyles. Meaning, ito yung regular price na walang discount. Intra Liquid and Capsule and CardioLife, same price sila, 1,855. Nutria and Fiber is 1,555. So, ideally, if you would ask me, lahat yan, maganda po siyang i-take in a day. Consistent and religiously. Kasi talagang ma-enhance yung katawan mo. So, ang maganda sa ating products, diba? Pwede mo siyang bilihin ng maramihan para maka-maximum discount ka ng 40%. So, one of the best package I can recommend to you is the Instant Direct because bibili ka lang ng 17 Better Together Kit. Ang isang BTK, ayan yung picture sa baba, is 2 intra, isang nutria, isang cardio, isang fiber. So, kung magki-cleansing ka, ideally, that 1 box is good for 1 person for a month. So, pag na-share mo yan sa mga friends mo, that will give you as retail price of 147,475. Pero ang babayaran mo lang, this is the good news, 106,360 lang. Because discounted ka kaagad ng 30%, plus the insurance and the tools, 106,360 yan, pwede mong bayaran ng credit card or cash, kikita ka or makakasave ka ng 41,115. This is the good news. Gusto mo ng libre. So, yung iinumin mo, pwedeng hindi mo nabayaran yan. You have 9 bottles of Intra, they're worth 16,695. O, diba? So, yung kapital sa products, babalik. May kita ka sa products plus the free. That's 57,810. So, ang galing. Ang laki ng ROI mo. Diba? So, kung medyo nahihirapan ka maisip, saan nakukuha ng 106? Dito tayo sa medyo mababang package which is the Express Direct. 9 Better Together kit na lang, pero 20% ang initial discount. So, ang kabentahan niya is 58,075. Ang iyong kapital is only 64,680. At ang iyong masisave is 13,395. Ang free is 5,565. So, your profit and savings is 18,960. So, ang ganda, diba? So, may products ka na, may naibibenta, may libre ka pa. So, paano pala mabibenta yan? Sasamahan ka, tutulungan ka. So, meron tayong training system. So, huwag ka mag-alala. Kahit neophyte ka or bago ka dito, makakabalik po yan. So, let us analyze. Sino ba mas maganda? The instant or the express package? So, by the figure alone, talagang the best package yung instant because it's 54% ROI. Now, either of the two, ang kunin mo, this is the good news. Hindi ka na kailangan bumili ulit ng marami. Kahit 1 bottle na lang as repeat order ng Intra Liquid, you can have a discount of 720 pesos per bottle. Ang maganda, pag binenta mo siya, 1 bottle a day, you have a retail income of 21,600. That's the first income generating stream doing life sales business, retailing. Ngayon, kung i-explore mo pa siya, there is a second way to earn na hindi ka nagbebenta. What is that? By doing the sponsorship. Meaning, may sasali kang kaibigan na gagayahin ka. O, diba? Practical lang din siya. So, bawat isang sasali kasi gusto niya rin maka 40% discount. Kung 106,000 yung binitawan niyang pera, your commission is 16,065 kung sa Pilipinas siya sumali. Pero kung sa ibang bansa, Canada, US, Europe, iba rin yung amount niya, depende sa conversion ng pera. But, simply, ang maganda doon, kahit saan pwede kang kumita, di ba? So, kung makasponsor ka ng 6, that's 96,390. At mind you, kahit isa lang, may check ka na. Kung damihan mo, the better, di ba? So, ang pinakamagandang bonus ng company is, bawat dalang mo buwang mapasali mo, diba? May libre ka pang 9 bottles of Intra. Within 30 days, for example, this first sponsor of yours, pumasok ng December 26, partneran mo siya before January 25, so, meron kang 9 bottles free. Ang galing! At ang maganda sa free, pwede mong ibenta kasi walang tatak na free. So, that's additional income of 50,085 pag naka-anim ka, which is equivalent to 3 pairs. So, the cheque plus the libre, that's 146,475. And the good thing is, promoted ka pa to executive director. O, diba? May income ka na, may free ka na, may recognition ka pa. Okay? So, that's the second way to generate income. But if you want a passive income like us, talagang nag-look forward kami, we did the power of duplication. What is that? Halimbawa, ikaw to, nag-training ka, nag-aral ka, nakakuha ka ng 6 na gusto rin ito aralin, then 3 to 5 years, sabihin natin 10 years, talagang dumami na dumami yung organization mo. Ang maganda doon, you can earn from the bottles of Intra na binibili nila direct to the company as a royalty bonus of 1.5 million monthly. Sabihin nyo, wow, grabe naman. Yes, and to date, this year, 2024, na po, a few days from now, the highest income earner, GMD Peng Mendoza, is not earning 1.5 million, but around 5 to 6 million month after month. O, diba? Talaga pong tinrabaho niya yung kanyang organization. So, paano mo siya magagawa? First, sasamahan ka, tuturuan ka. Second, meron kaming proven website, proven system, na nandun yung mga tutorials and training that you need na aaralin mo. Plus, sasamahan ka pa. O, diba? San ka pa? Yan ang maganda sa lifestyles. And of course, there are 3 keys to success. 1, kailangan malaki yung pangarap mo. Laki ba yung pangarap mo? I'm sure, yes, kaya ka nanonood nito. And number 2, willing ka bang magtrabaho? And last, willing ka ba magpaturo? Kasi this business is being taught, and kaya marami naging milyonaryo dito, kahit high school graduate, college graduate, elementary graduate, because there is a proven system. And sagot mo, of course, yung right attitude. Kahit maganda yung opportunity, kung yung negative attitude ka, so mahihirapan ka maging successful. So sagot mo yan. So, sabi ko nga kanina, I've been in this business since 2009 of January. I'm a CPA and an auditor. Hindi ko man naintindihan nung una paano ako dito yayaman, but I had a leap of faith to really join because I wanted the 40% discount. So, 11 years ako na auditor, okay naman yung sweldo, kaya lang, pag may emergency, laging naglo-loan. So, that time when I met Lifestyles, baon kami sa utang na more than $1 million kasi natabunan yung bahay ko ng bagyo, ng lahar. Sabi ko, my God, paano na yung pinundar namin mag-asawa? We are financially stressed, distressed, di ba? Nung dumating yung Lifestyles, I have a huge problem pa because may cancer yung father-in-law ko. Nag-pray talaga ako na sana, Lord, kailangan ko ng solusyon. So, kahit mahiyain ako, I'm so afraid na baka hindi ko to kayanin dahil nga all out yung decision ko. I attended the training, I did a business, now I'm a global marketing director, di ba? So, rewards and recognition, diretso siya, at nagbago yung aking mindsetting, natuto akong magtiwala sa sarili ko. And of course, the travels that I had, sobrang talaga ako nagpapasalamat kay God kasi yung mga Balisin Island, Boracay, perfect, ang hirap niyang puntahan kasi syempre expensive. But here in Lifestyles, we can afford. Yung iba dyan libre, yung iba kami mismo nagbayad because we have the Lifestyles income, diba? And I have my international travel also in Korea, Malaysia, UAE, and to date, I just arrived in this October from Tokyo and Osaka, Japan. Grabe talaga yung experience namin. Napakasaya po. So, lahat ng mga bansang yan, hindi ko yan mararating kung walang Lifestyles. And even now, I'm very thankful to God every day kasi paggising ko, I have a nice home, I have my own training room, I have my office, and this is really a dream come true for me. Gusto ko talaga to yung home-based business. And ang pinakamasaya sa lahat na nakita ko is nabigay ko yung kailangan ng family ko. I was able also to enjoy brand new cars. And to date, naka 7 na kami na brand new cars sa Lifestyles. Buti na lang, nag-full-time kami mag-asawa, diba? My husband used to work sa Department of Education. And recently, I bought a 2-bedroom condominium in Makati City. Grabe talaga. Masayang-masaya ako pag nakikita ko yung mga distributors ko enjoying the properties that we had because of Lifestyles opportunity. And the financial blessing that I can give to my family, mother ko, parents ng husband ko, and of course, to other people. And this is my life purpose. Unti-unti po, nagkaroon ako ng linaw na ito pala yung gusto kong maging buhay because I saw how my distributor changed their life too. Diba? And I'm forever grateful to my mentors, si MD Peng and team, because sila yung pumunta sa Bicol who stood by us, trained us, and developed us to be a servant leader. So, my question to you, 3 to 5 years from now, kung hindi mo to gagawin, ano na kaya yung buhay? Diba? If you're tired, you're broke, and you want change, kailangan may gawin ka din kakaiba. You have to really step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Because in life, it's always a choice. Kung ano man na meron ka ngayon, those are your choices of the past. And I guarantee you, you can always change your present life by doing good decisions because that decision will be your future. So, 2009, I signed up. I decided to do the business. Now, I'm a millionaire here in Lifestyles. I have my financial freedom. I have my family with me enjoying the products for free. Kaya buhay pa yung father-in-law ko until now. My mom is 83 years old also. So, healthy and very much beautiful. Kung hindi ako nag-Lifestyles, wala kaming maraming free products. Diba? So, that's all for me. Thank you so much. Talk to the person who shared to you this video. I'm sure may nakita siya sa'yo na potential or gusto ka niyang makasama sa pag-asenso. kaya niya to i-share sa'yo. So, that's all. Thank you very much and good morning.